This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2020 ACA Fall Meet in Gettysburg, PA. Checking out this 57 Eldorado Brougham. This car is so full boat. This is, I mean, the details on this, just look at the styling. I love this cast, the way how the inner fender well is still all blacked out. The cut is great. You see Eldorado Brougham. The vent. Now if you notice the compressor over there, that's for your suspension. This had a high. You notice the dual bat wings. That has two 4-barrels. This car was so full boat. You can see the air conditioning compressor up front. Reverse opening hood. The electric eye. I don't think this thing has one. These had one option. I don't think. You notice the suicide doors. And of course the infamous stainless steel top.
I wish they would put the show back up with the macadam with reversing. It makes it, especially if you just clean mud out of the underside of these things.
This is a rare treat to see the trunk. Look how clean it is. Now you notice the way how everything's enclosed, because this car actually costs more than a Rolls Royce. Bob was telling me underneath is that speaker over there. Check this out. Batteries in the back. That's the tube regulator. What did you say the regulator was for back there? That was for the autotronic eye, the electronic eye. This is just, I cannot believe this trunk is just with the broad cord. That is fantastic. And all of your mechanics are behind the curtain over there.
No, that's all your spare tire jack and wedge and tire iron.
Uh-huh. Details like this, I always get a kick out. Gasoline. And just brilliant, just brilliant. And you were saying that this car has power down. The trunk actually lowers by power and raises by power, plus has power pull down and power latch. So that's 4 motors. One for up, one for down, one for latch. Would it be possible, would it be easy to see the accessories?
Yeah, I'm sure so.
This is a very rare treat, folks. Again, this car was $13,000 new. These accessories are absolute hen's teeth to get. Comes with a perfume atomizer, with the, notice the tissue dispenser.
Cigarette
case. The cigarette case back there.
Compact.
Yep, a compact. You can see the jiggers over there. The cigarette case is over there. You can see the controls for the trunk over there. Oh, beautiful. Now there was those goblets actually have the magnets on the bottom. Yeah. Oh, beautiful. Just beautiful. Now, what is this over here? Is that an auxiliary?
Clock.
That's a clock. Okay. Interesting. Very interesting. Now, silver is unusual color for the car also.
This is actually DeVol gray.
DeVol gray, okay.
DeVol gray was probably one of the more popular colors.
Ah, okay.
But this is your compact. Your ladies compact.
Oh
your
my
comb
gosh.
and your lipstick.
Uh-huh,
your
the
powder.
Yes. For cigarettes?
Yes.
Or tissues?
Tissues, I believe.
Probably, because if it's compact, it would be for tissue. Very nice. Because you got to pat your lipstick after you apply. Oh my gosh. You need power assist on that.
Yeah.
Check out the door
Don't leave it
locks.
down.
That's all.
Yeah.
And this is a true hardtop. Of course, everything goes down, and the center post just stands up a little bit. Now, was the air conditioning the only option on these cars, or was that standard?
There's actually no options on the Broughams.
Mm.
It was all, they were all the same.
Look at what happened. I like the stainless inside, the trim. Wow. I'm sorry I asked.
Oh, no, that's all right. Have to get the stickers back on.
The door panels, is
They're
that fiberglass? That's aluminum, okay. Wow. That is amazing. And that's, you're saying buffalo hide?
Buffalo green.
Jeez. Look at this. Nice place to live. Look at the latches. Now this did not have power assist on the doors, did it?
No. It
Okay.
has the features that when the car is in drive, it disengages the handles.
Mm-hmm.
So you can't open the doors. And if the rear doors are open, you can't move it out of park into drive.
Ah, very good.
It
Rolls-Royce copied
disengages
that.
the... What's that?
Rolls-Royce copied that for their latest.
Correct.
Oh, Cadillac had it first, okay.
Cadillac built this car to compete with Rolls-Royce.
Yes. This is something else. Now, this was more expensive than a Royce because the
Correct.
base Rolls-Royce at the time was $11,500.
This was just over 13.
Yeah, this is gorgeous. Now you restored the car.
Correct.
Yeah, very good. And your shop is?
Colts Classics out of Barberton, Ohio.
Very good, very good. This is spectacular. Bob, thank you so very much for showing us. Any other features you'd like to show us?
Well, it's kind of hard with it sitting here, but it's on factory air ride.
Right,
It does have the starter X hooked up, which is the automatic start.
right.
It also has the factory memory 6-way power seat. A lot of features in the Brohams.
Yeah, again, 1957. We've got to keep that in mind.
Correct.
Because today it's like, oh, okay. Yeah, and that air ride was a real problem spot for these girls, so it's unusual to find one with a functioning system. Oh, this is beautiful. About 348 horsepower, if I remember straight.
I believe it was 365.
365.
It's 365 cubic inches, and I think it was 365 horsepower.
Ah, God.
Dual fours.
Of course, underneath the bat wing. Oh, the sun is killing my shot, but this is gorgeous. What a treat, folks. What a treat to see this. Again, 1957 Eldorado Brougham. For more cool events like this, make sure you check northeastwheelsevents.com, southeastwheelsevents.com, ukwheelsevents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.